guys! So today I'm going to be showing you what I have in my travel makeup bag and what I take when I go away on holiday. So I'll show you what I would take abroad. Brushes, I would take this brush kit. It's from Morphe, it's the Jaclyn Hill kit. I do believe that she has released a different one now. The only thing is, like, I did add a few more brushes and now it doesn't close. So what I tend to do when I'm travelling is I close it as much as possible and then get like an elastic, a hair elastic, one of the bigger ones, and wrap it around twice and it keeps it together. Bit of a palaver. Obviously, if you are flying on holiday, some of the things you will not be able to take in your carry-on luggage. I try and put as much of my makeup as possible in my hand luggage because I don't trust people who are handling my check-in luggage to be gentle enough with it that my makeup doesn't smash or whatever. So I try as hard as I can to fit it all in my hand luggage. There's a couple of exceptions, but they're not that delicate. So the first one is the Urban Decay All Nighter. This cannot go in your hand luggage, according in the UK anyway. I don't know how it is all across the world, but in the UK you cannot have this in your hand luggage. It is over 100ml. They do travel size ones, but this is a full size, so you cannot have this in your little zippy locky bag because it's too big. It's essential as well, like it'll keep that makeup on all day and add some hydration too. Estée Lauder Day Wear Matte. This is my day cream. I put it on every morning and it really helps to moisturise my face while not making it oily. For night cream, I have the Sephora, that's the French side, Total HD5 cream, and it's got collagen in it, so it will hopefully keep the elasticity in your face, in your skin. I apply it all over my face and my neck, and I have that also in my checked-in luggage. And lastly, for my checked-on luggage, I have Sutram. Bit strange, but I have this. I put this on any spots. Got a spot here. I've been putting this on for a bit, but it kind of dries up the spots and helps them to heal. Now on to hand luggage. These are my liquids that I am taking in my cabin luggage. And when I'm going away, I take things that I know I will use. So it's essentials, things I use for every day, things that I could try, things that I can use in a rush, that sort of thing. So obviously I've got my primer, which is the mattifier, and then obviously the Double Wear foundation, which I use every day. For concealer, I've got the Huda Beauty Concealer in Meringue, which I've been using and liking, and some eye drops. Eye drops I use every day before I put my makeup on, just to hydrate my eyes and kind of brighten them up a bit. Because these are for tired eyes, and when you're on technology a lot, like on your phone, on your iPad, on your tablets, like you're going to get eye strain and they're going to be tired. So that's why I put eye drops in every day to wake them up a bit. For some reason, I have 3 mascaras. So at the moment, I'm using this Eyeko Black Magic. I really like it. It really kind of lifts your lashes and makes you look like more awake with thicker, fuller eyelashes. And then I've got the Real, which is just a classic. And then I've got Scandaleyes Reloaded, which I like as well. I've got my eyeshadow Insurance Eyeshadow Primer. And my Rimmel Exaggerate eyeliner in black. I've got a little Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Calabasas. I tend to choose a colour to take with me that is nude, that I can wear with a range of different looks when I go on holiday. So I'm not taking loads and loads and loads of lipsticks. I can just take one or two. Got a little eyelash glue from Ardell, and then two products that are a bit strange. Lip plumping lip gloss, just because I kind of like the way it feels on my lips. Kind of burns a bit, but I kind of like it. You can't really see that much difference in my opinion. I just like it. Nice gloss, and it kind of burns. That's from W7 if you want to buy it. It's called Hot Shot. And lastly for the liquids is this Eye Stampy eyeliner, just because it is quick. So I wouldn't use this every day because it's a bit too intense for me. Like the eyeliner is thick. You can get them in different ones, not by this brand I don't believe, but it is quite a thick eyeliner stamp. Whereas I like to go for a more little flick. But then they do give you an eyeliner pen on the other side, so you can kind of do it yourself. But it is shiny. So if you've got a black eyeshadow, you can put some over the top to make it matte. Little tip there. And moving on to the solids. So the solids are in this bag. It's Paris Berlin Professional Maquillage bag. Again, we have a brush from Sephora. It's bronzing. Wouldn't fit in the box, so I had to go in the bag. And we have a beauty blender that's a bit dirty, but that's in there. We've got the Ardell Wispies. As these are really wearable, you can glam them up and make them look really fancy if you're going on a dinner out, or you can just wear them every day. Got my eyelash curler from Tweezerman. Got my micro pores tape so I can shape my eyeshadow. My Peach Perfect powder that does have a additional cap onto it that lifts up. So it kind of protects your powder from falling out everywhere, so you're not covered in it, which is a bonus. And it smells nice. Okay, got my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown. Don't tend to wear that very much. If I do need to do my brows in a hurry, I've got this Brow Bar Ultra Slim Brow Definer in Indian Chocolate, which is a bit dark for me, but you can be lighter with the pressure and it won't come out as dark. Got a soft kohl pencil in black. I love a black kohl pencil. It's essential for any smoky eye. Got two blushes. I've got a W7 Candy blush in Galactic that I wear all the time. I'm wearing it now. It's really nice, like subtle coral blush. And I've got this Chanel one, which is the Horizon blush, which is a pretty pink. It's more of a summer blush, that one. Concealer, I've got the Yellow Cream Concealer to conceal my dark circles, just to colour correct the purple. Got a pencil sharpener, just in case my kohl pencil breaks, which would be drastic. We're getting there now, we're getting there. Got my Sephora bronzer, which I love, but it's really nice to wear under blusher. It kind of adds more of a gradient to your blusher. This highlighter is amazing. I love it so much. It's so creamy, I just couldn't believe it. I know I sound like I'm going over the top. It's just a highlighter, but when I stroked it with my finger, I couldn't believe it. It felt so buttery and so soft and smooth. Oh, it's amazing. And this is On the Cusp from the Colourpop Kathleen Lights collection. Oh, it's amazing. I have my Anastasia contour kit that looks disgusting. Let's show that. That looks a bit better. So I use this shade for contouring my cheeks and my nose. And then finally, when you're travelling, you don't want to be travelling with loads of eyeshadow singles or a massive palette. You want a little palette that can do everything. Everyday looks, night looks, whatever. So that's why I decided that the Zodiac palette from Colourpop would be a really good addition. Look at those colours, you can do anything with those. And with it being so small, it fits perfectly in this bag and it takes up less space but still has the colours. That is pretty much everything that I would take with me on holiday. I hope this has helped you packing your makeup. I hope you're not stressing too much. I know it's a stressful experience because you don't know what to take with you, because you don't know what you'll need. But take a breather, calm down, it'll be okay. So thanks for watching guys, see you next time, bye!